It's question number 15 of exercise 4C, book 4, addendum. The topic is loci. According to the question, the first part is construct triangle ABC where the base BC is 10 centimeter, angle B is 40 degree, and AC is 8.5 centimeter. Measure and write down the length of AB. So first we will construct this triangle. So the baseline is BC 10 centimeter. Now we will draw baseline BC 10 centimeter. Here we have a line BC 10 centimeter. Now from point B we will mark an angle 40 degrees. So we will keep our protractor here. And as our line is on the left hand side, so we will start from here and mark 40 degree. And then from point B we will draw a line passing through the angle point. Okay, so here we have 40 degree. Now AC is 8.5 centimeter. So we will open our compass 8.5 centimeter now. centimeter, and then from point C we will mark an arc on this 40 degree line. Okay, if our arc and this angle line both are not intersecting, then we will extend our line where these two intersect. Now this is our third point A. Now we will join it with C. And then they are saying measure and write down the length of AB. So we will measure AB with the help of ruler. It's 13 centimeter. So AB is 13 centimeter. So here we will write an answer 13 centimeter. Now for locus, in the A point they are saying, on your diagram construct the locus of a point 4 centimeter from A and equidistant from BA and BC. 4 centimeter from A and equidistant from BA and BC. So 4 centimeter from A means here we have a single point. So we will draw a circle of 4 centimeter on point A. We will open compass 4 centimeter. Keep it on point A and draw a circle. If you are not getting complete circle, so this much arc is fine because we will get an answer inside the triangle. Then equidistant from BA and BC means we will draw an angle bisector on the common point, and the common point here is B. We will open compass 3 centimeter. Keep it on the common point B like this. Okay, and mark an arc. Now we will keep our compass on this point where this line and arc both are intersecting and mark an arc in the middle. Similarly, from this point we will cross this arc. Now we will draw a line from point B passing through the intersecting of this arc. Okay, so we have constructed both locus. Now we will shade the region according to the condition. So according to the condition they are saying a point P inside the triangle ABC is more than 4 centimeter from A. A point P inside the triangle ABC is more than 4 centimeter from A. So it means this circle is 4 centimeter from A. So the point P will be outside this circle. And the second condition is it's nearer to BA than to BC. When we have drawn this angle bisector, so above this angle bisector we have a region which is nearer to AB, and below this line we have a region nearer to BC. Okay, so as they are saying nearer to BA than to BC, so it is nearer to A means above this line and outside the circle. So it means we will shade this region above this angle line and outside the circle. So here in this shaded region we can have point P. This is how we will shade this region outside the circle and above this line. So here we can write point P. So point P can lie inside this shaded region. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.